Scapulohumeral rhythm is all about movement of the scapula in relation to movement of the humerus. So when you're looking at scapulohumeral rhythm, there's lots of notes there for you, but I want to just show you what it looks like in real life. When the arms get taken from beside your body out to 45 degrees out to the side, ideally there should be no scapular movement. The scapula should stay absolutely still and stable against the rib cage, and it's just the ball moving in the socket. So take your arms back down to your side. Let's just have a watch of Alicia's scapula. See how they're absolutely still, and they're still in the same position as they were from the start. That is ideal movement. If your scapula starts to lift up, move around, winging off the rib cage, they will predispose you to more tendon injuries. So you want to make sure your client is aware of setting the scapulas down and back and holding them in place, particularly for any exercises where the arms are down by the sides. And that could be things like bicep curls, any seated rows, push-ups, all of those where your elbows are close to your side. You want to make sure that the scapulas are maintained in their position. From 45 degrees upwards, you should see exactly the same amount of movement happening from the scapula and the humerus. So there's a 1-to-1 ratio of movement, scapula and humerus, above the 45 degrees. It gets very technical, but I'm just simplifying it for you. So taking the arms out to the side, no scapular movement or humeral movement, ball in the socket joint. From there upwards, you'll see that the scapulas turn this way to allow the arms to go right up to the top. As they come slowly back down again, you should see a lovely 1-to-1 movement ratio until you get to 45, where the scapula will stay still again and the arms will lower back to the side. That is ideal movement. So for any arm movements above 45 degrees, you shouldn't see any excessive hitching or winging or moving of the scapula. It should be a nice fluid movement with the humerus. That's scapulohumeral rhythm.